Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. Today we will start new chapter 8, ratio and proportion. In this chapter we will learn about ratio, equivalent ratios, comparison of ratios, proportion and unitary method. Students, ratio means when we compare two quantities of same kind by division, we say that we have formed ratio of two quantities. We use the symbol two dots to express a ratio. The ratio of two numbers A and B is A upon B and is denoted as A ratio B, read as A is to B, where A and B are called the terms of the ratio. The first term A is called antecedent and the second term B is called consequent. Now, exercise 8.1, question number 1. Express each of the following ratios in the simplest form. 24:36. Students, we have to reduce it in the simplest form. That is, we have to simply divide. You know this, how to do? In fractions, we have done this. I have told you two methods. One is to find the HCF and then you can divide both the numbers by the HCF. That is, HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. So you will divide both numerator and denominator by 12. So 2 upon 3. So my answer is 2 ratio 3, or you can read it as 2:3. Another method, that is of second part, I will do 120 upon 150. Either you can find out the HCF of these two numbers, that is 30, and divide numerator and denominator by 30, or you can use the step by step method also. Like both the numbers, you can see 0, 0, that is they are divisible by 10. So you can divide both the numbers by 10 first. Now both the numbers, you can see they are divisible by 3. So now you can divide by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So my answer is 4:5. Okay students, one more part I will do. The third part, that is 81:96. You can use any of the methods. I am finding out the HCF here. HCF of 81 and 96 is 3. So I will divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. So answer is 27 upon 32. That is, my answer is 27:32, or I can read it as 27:32. Question number 2. Express each of the following ratios in the simplest form. Number 1, 2.5 meter to 150 centimeter. See students, here both the units are not same, but in ratios both the units should be same. So first of all, you will make both the units same. So you have to change meter to centimeter. Either you can convert meter to centimeter or you can convert centimeter to meter. Here my question is 2.5 meter to 150 centimeter. Here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So I am converting this to centimeter. So I will multiply this by 100. I'll get the answer 250. So it will become 250 centimeter upon 150 centimeter. Now I'll take the HCF of these two numbers. HCF is 50. So I'll divide both the numbers by 50. So my answer is 5/3. That is 5:3. Now one more part I'll do. Second part, it is 7 kg to 420 grams. Again you can see the units are not same. So you will make the units same. Here I am converting this kg to grams. So you know 1 kg is equal to 100 grams. So I'll multiply this 7 by 1000. So it will become 7000 grams. Now I'll take out the HCF of 7000 and 420, which is 140. Now I'll divide both the numerators and denominators by the HCF, which is 50 upon 3. So my answer is 50:3. Now we have to complete question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 8.1. That's all for today, Shem Stars. Thank you. You can drop your queries on the Google.